Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and enjoying this long vacations. Today I am here to teach you a new topic of class 9th, that is the numericals of the oxidation rules. In previous lecture we was discussed about the oxidation state and the rules of the oxidation number or oxidation state. Today we are going to discuss the numericals of the oxidation rule. How we can find the oxidation number of different elements from compounds. This is the purpose of our lecture. Let's go class. First of all, numerical number 1. The numerical number 1 is that calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen from nitric acid. Nitric acid is a compound and we want to calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen from this compound. Okay, first of all, given data. What is given data? Given data is that oxidation number of hydrogen, that is +1. Oxidation number of oxygen, that is -2. To find out which thing we want to find out, and we want to find out the oxidation number of nitrogen. And in solution, we are applying the rule of oxidation state, that is the rule number 7. And the rule number 7 is that, if you remember, in a neutral compound sum of the oxidation number, algebraic sum of the oxidation number is always 0 when we are talking about the neutral molecule. And HNO3 is a neutral molecule, and here we can calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen from this neutral molecule by applying the formula of sum. When we add up the oxidation number of all the elements of the compound, and we can calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen. Its mean here we are applying the formula is that oxidation number of hydrogen plus oxidation number of nitrogen plus oxidation number of oxygen equal to 0, because all the sum of the oxidation number is equal to 0 in a neutral compound. Here we put 3 because in neutral compound, that is the nitric acid, 3 number of atoms of the oxygen is present. That's why the oxidation number of the oxygen is multiplied by the number of atoms of the oxygen. Okay, now we are going to put the values of these oxidation number by putting values. Oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. Oxidation number of nitrogen wants to calculate. Number of atom of oxygen is 3 and the oxidation number of oxygen is -2 equal to 0. +1 minus nitrogen plus minus 3 to the 6 and it's equal to 0. +1 minus 6 plus nitrogen plus 1 minus 6 equal to -5. When we are change the position of the numeric or the value, they change their sign of the position. Like sign, when we are going to change the position -5, they change into +5, and that is the oxidation number of nitrogen. In this value, first of all, in this numerical, first of all, we are put the values of oxidation number of the compound, that is the oxidation number of the hydrogen and the oxidation number of the oxygen, and by adding the oxidation number of the oxygen and hydrogen, we can calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen, that is the +5. Okay, now we are going to the next numerical, that is the numerical number 7.2. In this numerical, wants to find out the oxidation number of sulfur from sulfuric acid, H2SO4. First of all, we are right here, given data, oxidation number of hydrogen is +1, oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Find out oxidation number of sulfur in solution. Again we use the formula of rule number 7, that is the sum of the all oxidation number of the compounds that is equal to 0 in a neutral compound. Oxidation number of hydrogen plus oxidation number of sulfur plus oxidation number of oxygen equal to 0. In sulfuric acid, 2 number of atoms are present of hydrogen. That's why oxidation number of hydrogen is multiplied by the number of atom of hydrogen, that is the 2, and the 4 number of atoms are present in the sulfuric acid. That's why the 4 number of atoms are multiplied by the oxidation number of oxygen. By putting the value of these elements, oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. Sulfur calculate, and the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. 2 ones are 2, plus minus minus 4 multiplied to 8 plus 2 minus 8 equal to -6. After changing the position, -6 change into +6, that is the oxidation number of sulfur. In this compound we take a neutral in this numerical we take a neutral compound, that is the sulfuric acid. In sulfuric acid, 2 number of atom of hydrogen is present and the 4 number of atom of oxygen is present. We want to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur and addition the number of oxidation number of the hydrogen and oxygen, and we calculate the oxidation number of sulfur, that is the +6. Okay, the last numerical is 7.3. In this numerical we want to find out the oxidation number of chlorine from potassium chlorate. Given data, oxidation number of potassium is +1, oxidation number of oxygen is -4. Find out oxidation number of chlorine. Solution, again apply for rule number 7, that is the sum of the oxidation number of all elements. Oxidation number of potassium plus oxidation number of chlorine plus 3 number of atom present in this compound, that's why 3 is multiplied by the oxidation number of oxygen equal to 0. By putting the values, oxidation number of potassium is +1, chlorine 3 number of atoms, and the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. +1 plus minus minus 3 2 times 6 equal to 0. +1 -6 equal 5 -5. After changing the position, -5 change into +5, that is the oxidation number of chlorine. In this question we find out the oxidation number of chlorine from the potassium chlorate. We sum up the oxidation numbers of potassium and the oxygen and calculate the oxidation number of chlorine. Today we have discussed about the numericals of the rules of oxidation state. Here we apply the rule of the oxidation state is rule number 7. First of all, we want to calculate the oxidation number of element from a neutral compound. First example of that is calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen from nitric acid by addition of the oxidation number of different elements. In this numerical. For the given data is that oxidation number of hydrogen and the oxidation number of oxygen. The oxidation number of hydrogen is +1 and the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. We want to calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen, and the solution is that first of all oxidation number of hydrogen plus the oxidation number of nitrogen and the oxidation number of oxygen. Oxygen have 3 number of atom in the nitric acid. That's why number of atom is multiplied by the oxidation number of oxygen. Okay, by putting the values and apply formula, we can calculate. We will calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen, that is the +5. And second example, we want find to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur from the sulfuric acid, that is the neutral compound. In this compound, the given data is that oxidation number of hydrogen, that is +1, and the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Find out the oxidation number of sulfur, and again we apply same formula in this question and add all the oxidation numbers of the hydrogen and oxygen. In this compound, 2 number of atoms present of hydrogen in this compound and 4 number of atom of oxygen is present. That's why number of atom is multiplied by the oxidation number of oxygen and hydrogen and calculate the oxidation number of sulfur, that is +6. In last example, we want to find out the oxidation number of chlorine from potassium chlorate. KClO3 is called potassium chlorate. The given data is that oxidation number of potassium is +1, oxidation number of oxygen is -2, and we want to find out the oxidation number of chlorine. Again we apply same formula and sum up the oxidation numbers of all elements and calculate the oxidation number of respective element, that is the chlorine, and the oxidation number of the chlorine is +5. I hope you will enjoy this lecture and understand this lecture, and assignment is that you practice this numericals at home at least 3 times and send your respective teacher.